forecast.
And certainly hope you are keeping cool. There's a look at some hazy skies over Charlottesville as we look off to the north and west as seen from Carter Mountain. The sun will set this evening at 8:40. Yes, it'll remain warm and muggy here for the overnight. Let's again recap that once again today at the airport, another record, new record was established, 103, crushing the old record of 100 set back in 1966. And for the July 4th, the record high temperature is 100, set back 14 years ago in 2012, and that too looks to fall by the wayside. So this is the fourth day of the heat wave. This is the third day that we've either tied or broken a record, and of course some intense heat that we're still dealing with. Right now at the airport, 101. The dew points have come down just a little bit, but it is still oppressively hot and humid. 98 is the current reading at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave. That also the high temperature for the day, and you can see most of us even at this hour upper 90s to low 100s with those heat indices or real field temperatures still over 100 degrees in many spots, and that will be the case again tomorrow. However, both for Saturday and Sunday, there will be thunderstorms developing, and even if you don't receive rain, if you are close or near a thunderstorm, that could certainly have a cooling effect as we go forward. Now for the rest of this evening till 9 o'clock, an excessive heat warning continues for Central Virginia, a heat advisory for the Shenandoah Valley until 8 o'clock. Then we'll do it all over again tomorrow. So continue to take all those precautions to stay cool and make sure you're well hydrated. Of course, a lot of events with the America 250 Independence Day holiday. As far as satellite and radar combination, not a whole lot to see. This big heat dome suppresses cloud development, but as it breaks down and a front approaches from the north, there will start to be more lift in the atmosphere to work upon this very hot and humid air mass. Temperatures tonight for most of us will settle back in the soupy mid-70s. And then for Independence Day here on Saturday, temperatures will range anywhere from the upper 90s to low 100s, similar to today. However, there will be storms around, especially after 2 o'clock and beyond. And then on Sunday, I think we're all holding in the 90s, but we will have more storms as we finish out the holiday weekend. So here we are tomorrow, temperatures anywhere from the upper 90s to low 100s. Heat indices could be as high as 115 in the afternoon. You can see a broad area highlighted for severe storms. That's a level 2 out of 5. Damaging winds will be the main threat, followed by some spotty hail. In this type of environment, storms can produce frequent lightning and heavy downpours. Make sure you have a way to get warnings. Our 29 First Alert weather app's a great tool. And again, as we take a look at things tomorrow morning, things are quiet. And then after, say, 2, 3 o'clock, we'll watch to see the development of these storms as they progress off to the east. Now, we're hoping that those storms will settle down after sunset, but we can't rule out maybe a stray shower storm. But fireworks displays should go okay with mostly to variably cloudy skies and temperatures lowering from the 80s into the 70s because we'll have some storms from earlier in the day. And then on Sunday, we'll do it all over again with that threat for some strong to severe thunderstorms. So this big heat ridge is in the process of breaking down. Around the periphery of it is where some of the bigger storms are. So right now, severe thunderstorm watch box includes areas like Baltimore and Philadelphia, New York. So this ridge breaking down some of the hottest temperatures right here in the mid-Atlantic and the Northeast. Tonight then, it's warm, it's muggy. We're in the mid-70s. First Alert weather day conditions continue through the weekend. Again, make sure you have a way to get warnings and make sure that if thunder roars, you move indoors, but the heat will begin to relent. Many of us by Monday will start to break the heat wave, if not by Tuesday. Storm chances will be with us into next week.
All right, that sounds good.